We've seen a significant decrease in the time to process invoices. As an invoice approver, I've seen the time it takes from an invoice from when it's submitted till when it gets to me go from a week to 2 weeks to a day to 2 days. Avail is an industrial manufacturing company. We make large electrical products, primarily for utility companies. We do specialized welding, and we make industrial lighting products. Avail's got approximately 1,500 employees worldwide. Avail's got a total of 15 sites on 4 continents. Our ERP at Avail is Oracle EBS. We're processing approximately 120,000 invoices per annum. Our AP process prior to engaging with SoftCo was very convoluted and cumbersome and error-prone. We had invoices that weren't getting paid. The difficulty in managing the queues and the various parts of the application that invoices would flow through and understanding exactly where things were, what state they were in, led to a number of delays and throughout the process. And those, when they piled up, they'd end up resulting in delayed payments. When we decided to look for a new solution for AP automation, we wanted to have a commercial cloud-based solution that we could integrate fairly easily with our Oracle EBS solutions. Users both on our procurement team and on our AP team felt that there were some unique features about SoftCo that really went above and beyond what we were seeing from other solutions. Things like AP accrual, being able to see PO invoices that hadn't been matched yet easily. We've seen a significant decrease in the time to process invoices. Anecdotally, as an invoice approver, I've seen the time it takes from an invoice from when it's submitted till when it gets to me go from a week to 2 weeks to a day to 2 days. We've increased the speed of processing through AP, which is giving us the ability to start looking at taking discounts on some of our invoices. And we've had cost avoidance where we've not needed to bring in the additional help that we needed to both in IT and in AP with our previous solution. And we do have better control and better visibility of where invoices are in the process and dashboards that show us, dollar-wise where things are in the process, not just invoice counts. The implementation of the process with SoftCo went very well. The transition from sales to the project was very smooth. Our experience overall, I would definitely recommend working with SoftCo for this type of project.